So imagine that you want to play your sim game, but you see that it doesn't have an icon. Imagine that this game doesn't have an icon here. Well, the solution is very simple and practical. So you have to right click, go to properties, and then you have to go to direct, and then you have to go to direct access window here and change icon. So you have to press browse here, and then you have to go to the folder that you have Steam. In my case it's programs, and then Steam, and then you have to find Steam again, double click and go to games. As you can see, I have all my games icons here, so I should have to choose the one that is correct. In my case it's Mortal Kombat 11. So you press it, accept, and that's it. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell and the subscription button, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye and Easy Way.